Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. It's an all-white hull with stone interior and a white 300 Mercury Verado. 12-inch Simrad display, Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift, tilt wheel, the seat with the thigh rise up. There's the port side with it down. Does have the glue down sea deck in gray. Fold down step. If you're getting on and off a boat next to you or a dock, it's easier to get into the boat. Transom shower with the transom remote stereo. In-floor cooler. There's that white 300 Verado. These aft-facing seats, I'll lift this one up here. It's like a trunk in there. This boat just came in. Hasn't been gone through yet. There's the propeller. More storage. 12-volt cup holders. Table mount. Yeah. Storage under all the seats. That's your battery compartment right there. Plug the boat in. Trickle charger. Battery switch. Storage with a carry-on cooler. Head compartment with a sink and a window. Lockable glove box. More in-floor storage. Boat does have a windlass and a shower up on the bow. Storage under the seats, both port and starboard matching. It's all glassed in too. It's really nice and clean. White arch with a black top. And if you look in the photos, you'll see the exterior shots. And that's it. That's the 2023 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. You can reach me at 609-494-2102. Thank you.